Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I removed the lime scale that's built up and all the hard water that's built up on the shower head. So see how I transform this shower head to this. Stay tuned to see how I have done it. If you live in a hard water area, this is something that happens quite frequently. You have to try and clean out most of the time. The product I'm going to be using is called VIAKAL. It's #1 against lime scale. So I have previously used this product before, but I have never tried the Febreze one. So today I'm going to see how well it works on the shower head. So let's get on with it. Just turn the nozzle here and just spray. Spray it all around the edges of it. I don't think you need to spray as much as I did, but yeah. So the VIAKAL, this one does not smell as strong as the one that I previously used. Kind of smells like strawberry type of sweet type of smell. But yeah, so this one does not have that strong smell as the one I've previously used before. So it's very simple and straightforward to use. So it's really great on shower heads. It's also great on areas like your shower screens. So it's really great for the bathroom. I tend to use this one in the bathrooms. So I'm going to see how well it works. I've left it for a few minutes, less than 5 minutes really, and I'm going to grab my Scrub Mummy, the cat version, and I'm just going to grab it on all the areas which had lime scale building up. This one looks like it'll take a bit more than scrubbing. Sorry. So far it's done a really good job getting rid of the lime scale buildup that was around the rubber seals of the shower head. Really impressed with that so far. But the one that's really hard to come off is the one around the edge over here. So I'm just gonna scrub the rest of the areas. And I've taken off the thingy of the shower, sorry. Do this. So it's been a few minutes already and not much has come off around the edges of this. Some really strong hard water, so I'm just going to rinse this off. Rinse off the product. So far this is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm very impressed. I've rinsed this, so I'm going to do it again, give it another spray around the edges again and see how well it works. I'm going to spray especially on the area right here where it's kind of got a lot of lime scale. I'm just going to spray again there. I'll leave it again for like maybe 5 minutes. Alright, so I have left this for almost 5 minutes to see how well it will do. I'm just going to scrub again to see if it will remove. Unfortunately, these have not come off. But you know what, it's alright, it's not, every other part has come off, so I'm really quite pleased and very impressed. Majority of the lime scale built up that was formed around the rubber bits has officially come off. This part is not coming off at all. This part is not coming off at all, but I think what I will have to do is use one of my other products, which is called the pink stuff, so I'll see how that one will work. But so far I'm very impressed. I'm just going to rinse this off. And yeah, there you have it. A clean shower head with the lime scale that was building up completely removed. So VIAKAL gets a 4 out of 5 for removing the majority of the lime scale. Unfortunately, this part has not come off, but we'll try another product and see if that will work. But I'm very, very impressed. Yeah, it's actually a really good product. Really, really impressed with that. The smell is alright. It's not too bad. It's not too strong, but I know it's there. So for those people who don't like strong smells, I do not recommend this. But overall, it did a great job. It's a fantastic product. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.